Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will look at some possible fixes for your laptop screen flickering or flashing. We will link an article in the description down below that goes further into depth on the issue. We will be looking at several internal items on software, so it is always a good idea to create a system restore point. This video is a more generic troubleshooting guide. Different laptop models have specific additional steps you can take. Consult the OEM website of your laptop for more details. Let's start by checking the Hardware Troubleshooter. Open a command prompt. Start by checking the Hardware Troubleshooter. We'll open a command prompt. Start by checking the Hardware Troubleshooter. Open a command prompt. You want to type in msdt.exe space hyphen ID device diagnostic and hit enter. A dialog box will open. Follow the on-screen prompts to run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Restart your computer and see if the problem is solved. Our next step is to uninstall and reinstall the display driver. Boot your computer in safe mode, then right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Go to your display adapters, right-click on it, and click Uninstall Device. Then restart your computer. After the restart, run the Windows update and install any available driver update that might be there. The power plan might be interfering with the screen, so we can look at restoring the default power plan and see if that helps. Go into Power Options. Go to Additional Power Settings. Change plan information and restore default settings for this plan. Restart your computer and see if that worked. Then let's look at the monitor refresh rate. Press Windows and I. Go to the System, and in Display, look for Advanced Display Settings. Then go to Display Adapter Properties. Click on the Monitor tab and pick your refresh rate. Restart your computer and see if that fixes the problem. Some third-party software like Norton Antivirus can cause screen issues. Look at any software that you might have recently installed. If the problem started after you installed it, uninstall that program and see if that was the culprit. Like I said, different models and manufacturers have troubleshooters or checkup software that is model or brand specific. Run the one for your model and see if that corrects it. Finally, if you have eliminated all possible software causes, then it is most probably a hardware problem with the monitor itself. Take it to a technician to check. For more helpful tips and fixes, visit our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, where we are always adding new content to make your digital life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.